Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add money to Venmo. So to get started with the guide, so the first thing you need to do is to check your eligibility. So if you have a Venmo MasterCard or debit card to manually add fund, then once you have that, open the Venmo app, then go to the Main tab, which is at the bottom right. Then you will see your Venmo balance. Then from there, tap add money. So if you are eligible, tap add money button under your balance. Then if you don't see this button, you likely don't have the debit card. So choose the funding source from bank, which has a standard of 3 to 5 business days. Then from debit card, it is instant if using Venmo debit card. Then after that, enter amount and confirm. So set your amount, then tap add. Then if it is with card, it is very instant. Then if it is bank transfer, it takes a few days. Then here's an optional method. You can also auto reload setup. So tap auto reload under add money to set a trigger. So which means you can set up a auto reload setup with a balance when the balance is around 25 to 50, which can be reload, and that's it. So if you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.